Hello guys, it's Tao here. So yesterday I did a video with my friend, with fire, and I got a recommendation to do an explosion strength build. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It's gonna be ones, so it's gonna be low elo, cause I haven't played that much ones. But I'll show you the combo, do some shoutouts, and I'll put on the screen right now what you can scroll to if you don't want to see all that, just the fighting. So enjoy. Alright, so the combo is just gonna be any normal combo, to be honest. It's nothing special. Point ones, explosion jump into flash draw, into aerial assault. So I mean, that's basically the combo. It's a high damage combo and it's really short, so I like it. You can of course change anything you want. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some aerial assault into flash draw tech though. The tech is really just aerial assault, flash draw, whatever. You can do pretty much anything you want afterwards. I low-key messed it up, but you get the point. It's basically the same damage. But yeah. I'll do some shoutouts real quick actually. So first of all, shout out to all of you that show support, mean a lot. But shout out to Valk, Heavenly, Ocean, they're fellow content creators that helped me to how to edit, gave me some input, what I can do better. So big shout out to them. And shout out to Lloyd Mason for the hair code. I forgot to do that yesterday. Drop the codes, buddy. Drop the codes. Let me go into Do Not Disturb. Okay, there you go. It's probably not gonna be the most exciting match, but I'll do. Why the fuck did he just M1? Bro, what? I fucking parried. Okay. Okay, this is just pure brain rot. Yeah, he realizes I do a lot of damage. Fuck. Probably has full mode, no? Yeah. Sad. Didn't get the last option, but it is what it is. He's probably dead here anyways. I don't know why I can't carry Sukatetsu. It's on my servers, no? Yeah. It's on my servers. Yeah. Well, probably gonna be GG's. It's a nice combo. Or not. It's techie or no, but I like it. Again. And I saw a little bit of comments about me using Haas, so I mean, sake of this video, I won't use Haas just because I mean I already have a pretty good build. I'm actually surprised it didn't hit me. I mean, it'll be a some old section. Be GG soon. Oh, he has vast range. I don't know if I did that. Yep. Again, I refuse to use Haas. And I wanted to thank you guys because I really didn't expect that much support in the last vid. Ah, fuck, I'm dead. But I really didn't expect that much support on my first vid, so thank you for that. I can't get him with I don't want to be hit by that shit. Ah, I'm dead. Yep. Well, that's that. I'll probably get him here. Okay, fuck. Bro, I hate that counter. Doesn't do that much damage, actually. Okay. Fuck me, bro. I'm actually gonna kill myself. Oh yeah, no, I can't say that. But, bro, it's fucking... It just pisses me off so much. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use this. Ah, fuck me. Yeah, GG's. Okay, so, yeah. What happened the last 2 or 3 matches? I can't remember. I just disconnect now, okay? Didn't disconnect now, but we'll see. I don't know why he didn't use bite. Okay, that's really sad. What the fuck? Give Give me my Sekitetsu, bro. Why didn't you hit that, bro? It's just sad at this point. I mean, I am in fucking low elo, so maybe it's sad for me. You just crushed it, bro. Looks like it has crystals, because why doesn't he have Wind or Iker on in spite? I'll pop more now. Don't know what I expected, but I actually didn't know you could do that. Why I have wind on it. No. No. Am I dead? I am. Want to get hit by this. Yeah, you know what? So today ended with a lot of matches in the US and Mumbai, and I liked that a lot, so I'm not gonna show that just because it's not fun to watch someone who lags, to be honest. But if y'all like this build, leave it in the comments and I'll do it again. If y'all have any builds I should try or tech I should try, Vessel, whatever, Aranka or Fullbringer, Quincy, leave it in the comments or DM me at Discord. And peace out.